guys doing? My name is Ricky Gonzalez, owner of G4 Off-Road in the city of Orange, based out of California. Today I am with R1 Concepts and Niddle Pit Crew. The build itself, it's a 2020 Jeep JL with an Evo long arm, Evo coilover system, a Dynatrack Pro Rock 60 and Pro Rock 80 on J reel drive shafts. R1 concept slotted rotors. Yeah, definitely the first obstacle, it was intimidating, but when you have the right parts, obstacles become a little more smoother, more approachable. Once you get on it, you know, looking at directly at the sky, and you have the proper brakes for it, just gas after that. There's different components and pads, different types of rotors. Some of them are drilled, some of them are solid, some of them are drilled and slotted. The different components of brake pads actually work differently. Some of them are for racing, some of them are for off-roading. They end up gripping better for your needs, and R1 has everything, covers everything for everybody's needs. I got Niddles 42s on 17s. Once I went with a Niddle tire. I was on 40s for about 3 years. Those 40s gripped on everything. Everywhere I pointed, it was just straight up the obstacle. We did a little bit of off-roading on Metal Masher, and it was an epic time, man. I feel like the rig did amazing today, and I want to continue to build the confidence on it with the right product.